In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete your TEMU account if you no longer wish to use it and want to remove it permanently. Deleting your TEMU account is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the TEMU app. And then tap on the U button at the bottom center of the screen. Once you are on this page, scroll down a bit and tap Settings. After that, tap Account Security. And now, at the bottom, you will see an option called Delete your TEMU account. Just tap on it. And then put a check mark next to this. I want to permanently delete my TEMU account and all its data. Once you've done that, tap Continue. And continue the process. This is exactly how you can delete your TEMU account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.